Hi, I'm Jim Berry, President of Technical Associates. We'd like to welcome you to another edition of Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to be covering condition monitoring, which has a tremendous potential of actually saving you approximately $10 savings per dollar invested in the program. And that includes the software, hardware, and all the manpower that's required to run a condition monitoring program. We actually began doing condition monitoring in about 1984 and have been affiliated with a wide swath of industry types. And the call savings have been tremendous. We can help you develop your program from scratch, doing the entire condition monitoring program ourselves, or we can mentor you and your personnel to help take you to the next level. You know, it's possible that you may only be achieving around $2 to $3 savings per dollar invested. Do you know the full implementation of vibration analysis, along with many other condition monitoring technologies, can help lead you to the $10 to $12 saved per dollar invested? Thank you so much for joining us for today's Maintenance Monday.